Hey guys, welcome to this AirTag guide, and here I'll detail how to reconnect AirTag after changing the battery. So if after you change your Apple AirTag battery, maybe because the battery is weak and then you've gone for a replacement, now you want to connect the AirTag back to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So this works mostly when you change your Apple AirTag battery or remove the battery from a distant location from your phone. Then you'll be prompted to manually connect the AirTag to your phone, and here I'll walk you through the step you need to take. Then the first one to do is go ahead and drop your AirTag close to your iPhone. Then on the iPhone, go to your settings, and then while on the settings page, you want to locate Bluetooth and click on that. Then make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, and once Bluetooth is turned on, exit the page. Then go ahead and search for Find My to open it. So open Find My on your iPhone. Then once you open Find My, on the Find My page, click on Items. Then here you should see the list of items, thumbnail you can connect to your AirTag. Then click on Add Item. There you go. Then here click on Add AirTag. With this, you'll be able to add this AirTag to your iPhone after resetting or after changing the battery. Go ahead and click on Add AirTag. Then you should see searching for AirTag. Then your iPhone will search for available AirTag, and once the AirTag is close by or within the Bluetooth range, then you should see what that says AirTag, then connect. Then to connect the AirTag after changing the battery, click on Connect. Now once you hit the connect, you'll be prompted to select the tag name. Here I'm going to use this with my keys. So you can select luggage, umbrella, wallet, headphone, handbag, camera, bike, backpack. So select the item you want to use the AirTag with, and then go ahead and click on Continue. Once you tap the Continue, see what that says AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. So if this is the Apple ID you want to use the AirTag with, then click on Agree. Otherwise, go ahead and change the Apple ID on your iCloud account. Then click on Agree, and then hang on. You should see your AirTag connecting to your iPhone, and it's going to name the AirTag as the name of your iPhone. So if you are using iPhone 12 and still have iPhone 12 here, it's going to be iPhone 12 key. And if you've renamed the iPhone, then you're going to see the name of the iPhone and then the key, or backpack, or luggage. Then after that, you see here and then the location of the AirTag. If it is with you or far away, you're going to see it on the maps. Then go ahead and click on Done. Once you hit the done button, then the AirTag will be added back to your phone. So that is basically how to reconnect AirTag after changing battery. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.